Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Google Play PC review. Well, today is going to be a review on Google Play PC. So Google Play PC. So this is very unique and very cool because here, when you're gonna download the Google Play games on Google Play PC, as you can see, there's what we call beta. So what we call beta, you need to open up your go here. You're gonna download a Google Play game beta. And once you've downloaded that, you just need to install the game that you like. There you go. As you can see, but here, once we don't have beta, you can easily download them, and once you download them, you can play them already. As you can see, but my honest review here, it has a little games only. As you can see, there's a little bit of games. There's not much of games in PC. And on only review that I can give here is it's better to use this when you want to download like from a phone, tablet, TV, or Chromebook while using your Google Play on PC. Example right here, the Mobile Legend. Then click on install more device. After that, click on install. So there you go. So choose a device. There you go. So yeah, that's honestly that's one of the best things about this Google Play in PC. You can download games using you can download games or movies or something using your PC to download it to another device. So that's very cool when your on device is online. So now, as you see right here, my honest review out of this, there's a little bit of games and a little bit of games on your PC, but it has complete set on phone, tablet, TV, Chromebook, and watch. But on the PC, it has little to few games. You see, only few games that are available on PC, and some of them are beta. You need to download a Google Play Games beta. There you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. You guys enjoyed, and my honest rating out of this is 7 out of 10. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. So hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.